Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create an avatar on TikTok. This is a relatively new feature that they rolled out, so you have the ability to create a custom cartoon character of yourself, which is pretty cool. Now how you go about doing that is you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom in the center. That's going to take you to the TikTok camera. Now what you want to do is you want to tap here where it says effects. So it just disappeared. Let me get rid of that. So I'm going to tap on effects. Now you should see an avatar effect with like two faces. Now, if you're not seeing that like on my device, then what you need to do is tap on this button right here, which is that little search icon, the magnifying glass. So I'm going to tap on that, and then I'm just going to type TikTok avatar into the search bar, and it should load up in a moment. So here we go. This is the one that we want to tap on, this one that says TikTok avatars with the two faces. So let me tap on that, and now it should give you some options there with different faces. But before you go ahead and use it as a feature, tap on the far left where it says plus new. So to create a new TikTok avatar, this is where you'll come across. So you'll just select between the different faces that you can choose within this TikTok avatar creator. So let me just choose one really quickly. So I will choose this one right over here. Now, if you're familiar with the Instagram avatar creator, this is pretty similar. So my internet is acting a bit slow, so apologies for that. But you'd select your hair, you'd select your head, your eyebrows, your eye, your nose, your mouth, ears, and so on. Just move through all the different options that you have available to you and fully customize it the way that you would want. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and tap on done at the top right hand corner. And now my TikTok avatar is created. And then I go to trending. It didn't appear there, so I'll go back to the search bar and I'll type TikTok avatar. So it's fully created now. So if you type in TikTok avatar and then tap on that again, it'll show you all the different faces with your one. So then you can tap on your one that you selected or any one of the other ones and begin using the TikTok avatar. I will be doing a separate video on exactly how to use the TikTok avatar, so be on the lookout for that. But if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.